Hi-Tech Nova ceiling channel forming equipment is more than just a machine. It is your core partner for improving quality and efficiency in the factory, with stable and high-speed productivity. It unlocks unlimited order potential for you. This equipment reliably produces high-standard, hat-shaped ceiling channel finished products. The finished products feature straight and neat lines, regular shape with no deviation, no burrs and no deformation. Its solid texture is trustworthy at first sight, creating inspection-free quality products that can be directly delivered, equipped with a human-machine interface and touchscreen operation. The equipment is extremely easy to learn and use with zero threshold. For getting started, the fully automatic process runs seamlessly, from automatic feeding via the simple uncoiler, precise positioning by the guide device, to precision roll forming by the 14-station main forming machine. No repeated manual adjustment is needed, saving both worry and effort. It can stably produce hat-shaped ceiling channel with a standard outer width of 70 mm and an optimal height of 36 mm. The top has a 30 mm flat platform. Both sides are equipped with a 103 bevel for stable support, and the 5 mm folded edge at the end is accurately suitable for installation. The one-step forming process ensures no warping or deformation, fully meeting the quality and efficiency requirements of various Kiel ceiling decoration projects. It can easily meet multi-scenario production needs, including home decoration ceilings, hotel hardcover, large area indoor projects in office buildings and shopping malls, large area indoor projects in office buildings and shopping malls, as well as bulk custom orders. Say goodbye to capacity anxiety and keep receiving orders continuously. Choosing the right equipment means choosing the future of your factory. Hi-Tech Nova ceiling channel forming equipment is not just a simple production tool, but also your core confidence to double production capacity and increase profits.